You know what time it is, it's your boy Nothing. Seabird and Toxic. What's up guys, Seabird the Hedgehog here, and I'm with Maxo. I mean Toxic. Bro, what the hell? You just called me Maxo? I'm freaking Toxic out, man. I'm fucking blue. Sorry about that. Anyways guys, Seabird the Hedgehog here, and we are gonna do a challenge. What kind of challenge? I'm glad you asked. I'm glad you asked, Toxic. What challenge are we gonna do? Starts with the letter P, R, A. N, K, W, A, R. Don't tell me it's prank war. Yep, guys, we're gonna do a prank war challenge, and we're gonna see who gets the double A. All right. Alright guys, we are gonna do this challenge. Alright, whoever gets to the top is the winner. Whoever loses, go down to the winner, is a loser. Boy, I'm gonna beat you. No, you're not. Yes, I am. Anyways, let's get it. Round 1. Alright guys, hey. You might be asking, hey Seabird, what are you gonna do with that drink? I don't know what you guys gonna think. That you guys think this is all a good thing to you guys, but guess what? You know Toxic loves that raspberry drink, and guess what? I'm gonna make it sour. Sorry Toxic, but this is for round 1. Boy, I'm gonna... Hey, Shadow Bunny, you got me on video? Yeah, I got you on video. Shadow Bunny, I just want to say that freaking Seabird is gonna lose this challenge and I'm gonna win. That's some good one. Oh. Got you on that one, didn't I? What did you put in there? Sour drink, biatch. Round 2. Alright, revenge time, bitch. What the heck? Where'd he go? He just teleported. Oh, you got my camera, right? Yeah. What the fuck is... Smack cam. Hey, guess what? What? Smack cam. You won this round, good sir. Ding! Seabird the Hedgehog 3. Toxic Cat 0. This time I'm gonna get this motherfucker. Aw, come on, really? Ding! Here's have some cake. Have some banana pie with ya. Eggs. Watermelon. Have some cake. Tomato splat. No, you has. Alright. I think we're done. No, wait, there's something on your face. Where? Alright. Alright. I think we're done. Truce. We're done. Whew. Man, that was hard shit. Yeah, me too. BFFs. Bop. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. This episode, what do you guys think? Like, who's your favorite character in this episode? Like, the camera guy was Shadow Bunny, aka the Bomba FNAF. Subscribe to him, and Seabird the Hedgehog, and subscribe to him, and me, yours truly, Toxicat. But wait, guys, more episode will be coming soon. So, bye, Toxicat and Seabird the Hedgehog. That is it for you guys, and I hope you enjoy this one. this episode. I hope you enjoy this episode, and there's more coming soon. See you guys, and have a good night.